Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening GitHub Desktop and selecting the repository you want to change. Once done, switch to the History tab so you can inspect commits in your current branch. This gives you context on what to remove and why. Make sure to note the commit message or hash for the exact entry. If you need a safety copy, create a branch now to preserve work. This prevents accidental data loss while you prepare to delete or alter the commit. You choose the appropriate method. For the most recent commit, click Repository Undo Last Commit to restore changes to the working tree. If you need to negate an older commit, use Revert in the context menu to create an inverse commit that preserves history. For advanced cleaning, squashing, dropping, or reordering, open a terminal and run git rebase -n, then pick, squash, or drop entries. These techniques let you control history while explaining why you prefer one approach over another. You finish by committing any working tree changes and then pushing the branch. If you rewrote history with rebase or reset, use git push force only after communicating with collaborators because force push can rewrite shared history. Once pushed, verify the remote history in GitHub Desktop or the website. If something goes wrong, restore from the branch you created earlier or use git reflog and git reset to recover lost commits. This troubleshooting step often rescues accidental deletions when you act quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.